Guys, good morning. I'm in my village now, and I just want to go and fetch water. Please, very soon I will just shave. I want to go and shave. I normally shave myself, and I also barb my head on my own. So I want to talk about the Igbo resilience and the Igbo spirit. You understand? I found out that in Nigeria, uh, something is happening. The our Yoruba counterparts are always trying to force their tribe on people is becoming alarming. This recent visit by Aisho Speed to Nigeria, we saw how the Yaribas were able to try to force the Yoruba identity on Aisho Speed. They immediately hijacked him. I was even thinking that it was a Yoruba person that brought Aisho Speed to Nigeria, because the way they hijacked him, it was like it is only the Yoruba people that he came to see. You understand? They hijacked him. We saw in a video where a woman, a Yoruba lady, was trying to tell him that you are now a Yoruba person. He was asking, "What if I'm Igbo?" We can all see his desire and zeal to be Igbo. What if I'm Igbo? If it is normal, the woman would have said, "Okay, Igbo is a Nigerian tribe. You can be Igbo, no problem." But we all saw the woman try her best to make sure I show speed is Yoruba. We Igbos, we don't beg. We don't beg people to be part of us. We don't beg people. People love us genuinely. People love us naturally. You understand? I'm fetching water, so try to. You understand? People love us naturally. We tend to see people show Igbos love naturally. We don't force our love. We don't force our identity on people. You understand? In my next video, I will talk about the lady from South Africa that visited Nigeria. I will talk about her all the way from South Africa. She came to Nigeria to identify with Igbo culture, Igbo tradition, and she usually call herself an Igbo lady. Understand that she will marry Igbo. This is natural love flowing from around the world. You understand? So Yoruba people should stop all this embarrassment. It's becoming so embarrassing that you try to force people to be what they don't want to be. People have the right to be Nigerians and also have the right to be Igbo. This latest show by the lady on Yorubas on I Show Speed is very embarrassing to me. It's very embarrassing. What do you have to say about it? Comment and like and share my videos. Thank you.